I'm not a professional, so please do not listen to anything I'm saying. I'm doing what I do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, what's up, y'all? So y'all know, like, I like y'all to just be on some journeys with me. Yes. So we're on a whole nother journey. The journey is we're gonna learn how to do some lashes at home first before we go to a class and pay $800. So I feel like knowing the basics are very important first. Got YouTube, got a whole bunch of other stuff, but first we're gonna grab us an airhead and we're gonna snack up real quick. So meet Jolie. Everybody say hey to Jolie. And while y'all say hey, I'm gonna get some of the products that I'm using out. Tweezers, glue, eyelash brushes, glue rings, under eyelash patches. There's no need for this because my girl not real, but if she was real, I would be using some medical tape. If my girl was real, I would be priming her eyelashes with using this thing right here. I'll be using some fake eyelashes, practice eyelashes that I'll be throwing on this guy. And obviously I will be using some eyelashes. You can use whatever eyelashes you want because this is not a real person. I'll be using a fan because obviously it'll help me dry the eyelashes off when I'm done. I will be using a tray to keep my stuff organized right beside me. This is where I will lay the eyelash lengths on. And then whatever else I might need. Has my logo on it, Lover Girl Boutique, shop with your girl. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I'm using for her. So let's go ahead and get started. The tweezers I'm gonna use yet, but just watch as I go. I'm not a professional, so please do not listen to anything I'm saying. I'm doing what I do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what I would have did in this instance, I would have marked exactly how I want the eyelashes to be. And that goes far as what I'm trying to, the look I'm trying to go for, but obviously I can't. So these are what I'm going to be using: 12, 13, and 15. So that's the ones I'm going to be using. I'll be using this one to isolate, maybe. And then this one to actually add the eyelash on. So this is what we're going to do. I have to move this to this side. Oh, because that's gonna do everything on. Wish I could show you everything that I'm doing, but I'm just gonna cut off some of the stuff on the camera. So I'm going to put a 12 tray. Put it down. So like I said, we have a 12, a 13, and a 15. 15 is obviously gonna go longer, middle, and witch cut. So it's gonna be more of a different kind of classic look. So I'm shaking this up, warming this up. I gotta find the comfort of how I want it when I'm dipping it in. So probably on that finger. See? All right, so back to what I was saying, fluffing these out right now. So classic look, so not a lot of volume is going to be associated with it. So I'm gonna put that there. My other ring. I have to update my MacBook. All right, let's get this party started. So I'm only doing a drop for now because I don't move that fast, y'all. So if you don't move that fast, please do not put too much in it because you want to make sure that your stuff does not dry out. I think I'm gonna put it on this finger. I don't know what finger I want to put it on, y'all. I don't know what finger. All right, so let me get to work. y'all, so I'm just finishing up this eyelash right here. It is taking me quite a while. I have not even like calculated my time yet. I'm just working through getting these eyelashes on one at a time. I'm looking at it and seeing things that I need to work on. One is not so much of isolation, but the amount of glue that I am actually putting on to the strip itself. So what I need to do is just dip it in and bring it out, making sure I don't have any bubbles. And then these inner eyes are pretty tough. And then just throwing it on there. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna just go and with that other one, isolate them and see which ones I miss. So I missed this one. This is what we got for my breakfast. I'm done. And we'll get back to this later.
More right here.
More practice to come.